So this is a quick demo video showing you how to disconnect or disassemble the fan connector on a 2005 to 2014 Mustang and other Ford vehicles. I'm using one that's burned up, so it's more like what you're going to have to deal with in real life. So I use this pick. You can use a small flathead screwdriver. It really doesn't matter. So you get under this guy and you lift it up. And if you're really having trouble, you can remove this completely, but we're not going to do that. So if you look right here, there's a slot. You get underneath it, push the tab down. I'm holding the wrong wire. So we get underneath it, we push the tab down, and use your other hand to pull the wire out. And that's it. So when you do this though, do them one at a time so you get the right wire back in the right spot. So it goes in like that, and then you would push that back down to secure the new connector. So once again, you get under this tab here, you lift that up, find your wire, so we're going to pull that one. You can just barely see the slot, push it down, push the retaining tab down, and pull that guy out. And that's it.